Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best Bundt pan. So let's get started. Number 7. Nordic Ware Platinum Collection. It might not come as a surprise to see that Nordic Ware, one of the leaders in bakeware, earned the spot of the best overall Bundt pan. Everything this brand makes is top-notch, but the Platinum Collection Bundt pan raises the bar even higher. It's made of die-cast aluminum that helps hold and evenly distribute heat for an evenly baked, perfectly browned Bundt cake every time, and is easy to clean, with no scrubbing or soaking required. The aluminum, which is finished with a non-stick coating to allow for easy removal, is both rust and warp resistant, so it will retain its shape even after long-term regular use. Number 6. Wilton Perfect Results Premium. Although aluminum pans provide perfectly even baking, one downside is that they're heavy. If you need something a little lighter that performs up to its name, the Wilton Perfect Results Fluted Tube Pan does it at a great price. For a very affordable price, you'll get a lightweight steel pan with a non-stick surface that provides easy release and easy cleanup. While the fluting isn't as dramatic as what you'll get from more expensive models, there are 8 impressions that give that signature Bundt cake look. The pan also has oversized pan handles, so in addition to being lightweight and easy to carry, it's also easy to grip when it comes time to remove it from the oven. Number 5. Anolon Advanced Nonstick. Anolon might not be a name that's as well known as Nordic Ware, Wilton, or Calphalon, but its highly rated bakeware rightfully earned a spot on this list for several reasons. Like others on the list, the non-stick fluted baking pan is made of heavy-gauge steel that's designed to provide even baking and resist warping, even when exposed to high temperatures. But its grips are what really sets this pan apart. It has a wide rim and rubberized handles that disperse and absorb heat, so the pan is easier to grasp and remove from the oven than other pans with metal handles or no handles at all. Number 4. Nordic Ware Platinum Collection. If you want to impress a crowd, or you just want to make really beautiful cakes to enjoy yourself, the Nordic Ware Platinum Collection Heritage Bundt pan makes getting a high-end look really easy. Instead of the typical vertical fluting of most Bundt pans, it has a swirling design that adds a touch of elegance to any cake you make. But it's not just pretty, it's functional too. This pan is made of Nordic Ware's signature die-cast aluminum and non-stick coating, so you get a perfectly browned cake that's easy to remove from the pan every time. Nordic Ware doesn't just stop at one out-of-the-box Bundt pan design option, though. Number 3. casaWare Fluted Cake Pan. Aluminum or steel pans are generally considered the holy grail when it comes to non-stick baking, but the casaWare ceramic fluted cake pan aims to give tradition a run for its money. While the interior is made of carbon steel, the exterior is double-coated with a ceramic that's cadmium, lead, PFOA, PTFE, and PFOS-free, and won't peel or blister, even in high heat. There are 2 color options, red/cream and blue granite, and the size and heat resistance vary depending on which one you pick. The red/cream pan produces a 9-inch cake and can withstand temperatures of up to 536 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. CHEFMADE Mini Bundt Pan Set. If you're looking for a way to serve Bundt cake to a crowd without the need for portioning and slicing, the CHEFMADE Mini Bundt Pan Set has you covered. It comes with 4 identical mini Bundt cake pans that produce perfectly browned 4-inch cakes with the traditional Bundt cake ridges. And unlike other non-stick pans, the coating on these Bundt pans is PTFE and PFOA free. The pans are made with an FDA-approved silicone coating that can withstand really high temperatures without releasing potentially harmful chemicals. Number 1. Instant Pot Official Fluted. These days it seems like you can cook nearly anything in your Instant Pot. That includes cakes. This Bundt pan is made specifically for your machine. It comes in a slightly smaller diameter than comparable pans, and a little deeper to accommodate the same amount of cake batter. It's finished with a non-stick coating for easy release of baked goods that's also dishwasher safe. This pan will fit in both 6-quart and 8-quart cookers, and can be used in a conventional oven as well.